welcome back. Today we're gonna do a hot shake, and I'm gonna be doing the candy apple tea bomb, which is so good, both of these. So give it a try. Let's get into it. I'm gonna put some hot water. Let's start with the shake. Let's move that aside. We're gonna use the personalized powder. You can use the vanilla if you want. That's totally up to you. But I'm personally gonna do this one. And then 2 scoops of the dulce de leche. On that powder, I did 2 tablespoons, guys. Just so you know. So 2 scoops dulce de leche. And we're gonna be doing our skinny syrup vanilla bean pumpkin today. Yes, super duper yummy. Let's go ahead and do 1 full tablespoon right in there. And mix that up well. Careful because the cup might be hot. And make sure you get a cup that you can actually put hot water in. Because if you just use any plastic cup, they do this little like dance and it melts on the bottom. So please don't do that. Make sure that your cup can handle some heat. So I know mine can, so there we go. And the reason I'm doing the shake first is because I want it to kind of cool off while I do the tea bomb, because it is pretty hot. There we go. Let's just move that to the side and let's do our tea bomb. And do a little bit of hot water. We're gonna do 1 pack of the lemon lime tea. Well, not even lime, right? It's just lemon flavor. This is the single packet. On the go, ready to go. So straight in there. Together with our lift-off of tropical fruit. And I did pre-crush this one so it could dissolve quicker. Give it a little stir. And we're going to be using 1 full scoop of your apple fiber. Right in there. Oh. And now, last but not least, we're going to be using half a teaspoon. Oh, there we go. Half a teaspoon of the sour apple. This one right here. Right in there. Give that a little stir. Let's put some ice in here. Now we're going to pour some cranberry aloe in there. Use your top. We're doing 2 of those. And before I put my water in, I'm going to be putting some sugar-free caramel syrup right on the walls of this. Yes, I know, on a tea bomb. What? But this is the candy apple. You just give it a little stomp to get it to go down. Now you pour your water all the way up. And there you have it, guys. Our hot shake and our candy apple tea bomb, which is so freaking yummy. Look at that. So good. If you guys try, recreate, do all that good stuff, please share this video, and you guys know the drill. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.